Hello YouTube! Today I have a new portable spot welder from Secure company with built-in 10 amp high power battery. As the first time, the company asked me to inspect and express my opinion about the device. As the first time with the previous device SQ-SW2, the device is impressively small and with all the necessary accessories which we will need. The power supply charger is at 2 amps 5 volts. It is enough to charge our battery from 0 to 100% in 5 hours. The inputs and outputs of the device are the same as the previous one, with the difference that in this one we have buttons instead of scroll button, plus the charging input, which I will check after if the device allows spot welding while charging. At 20 milliseconds with 0.1 mm nickel strip, as you can see, the welding was very good. Let's measure the maximum spot weld strength by force meter. Now let's try with thicker nickel strip at 0.2 mm. The spot welding with a 0.2 mm strip is quite good, but not like the previous SQ-SW2 spot welder. Do not forget that this machine works at 4.2 volts, while the SQ-SW2 at 12 volts, so there is quite a big difference on the voltage of the battery. Now, let's see if this device has the most important feature in my opinion. Can the device weld while it's on the charger? Most of you surely understand how important it is to always have the battery charged on the spot welder. Yes, as you can see, while the device is charging, it works normally without any problem. For me, that is the biggest positive feature that the device has. That's all for today with a very good portable device. Be well and see you on the next video.